Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we got this last Specialista with us in the shop. And pretty much what happened is, one, the grinder was not grinding, or you couldn't feel any of the gears when you tried to switch between the options. Usually when you move between 1, 2, 3, or 4 on the grinder, you will feel it like right now, but before it was, you couldn't feel any of the gears and it wasn't grinding at all. And then, on top of that, the machine was making a noise when it was pushing water through the machine. So what we did is we readjusted the grinder. How it kind of works is there's this little notch that aligns with this grinder, and if that ever gets dislodged, then you can't move the grinder gears at all. So we did adjust that. Also, we replaced the motion valve, the O-ring that goes to the motion valve, and yeah, the sound has went away. So now we're going to test the machine with all its functions. We're going to start by grinding some coffee. We're going to do a double shot. As you can hear, grinding well. Tamp it. As you can see, good basket of coffee there. Put it in, and we are going to pour a double shot. It's going to do pre-infusion, and you're going to see it right here when it goes up slightly. Just waiting for it. As you see, pre-infusion. It's going to push a little water out, and it's going to jump to the optimal zone. And this is where you're going to get your espresso. And it looks great. This is test coffee, by the way, that we are using for this test. We're going to move that out the way. We're going to test the hot water function. So you see that shot's very good. We're going to test the hot water. We're just clicking that button. As you can see, working well. Also test the steam. See, everything's working well. And that's all for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.